Give me them for no stand of finance represent to the fullest and I represent for Petagaye life, you know, life for the greatest. Do all life nice, we shall the spirit one, yeah. We shall the spirit one, I wish. Petagaye, we shall live to see a millionaires. Give me them one of you represent, you know. Nice up.
The bread with some chiffon butter and my omelets. Guys, I have a detailed omelet video on my channel. You guys can definitely check it out. And I'm gonna have some Milo with it as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is my Nescafe chocolate. So what's your favorite tea, you guys? Chocolate, mint, regular tea bag, what you guys drink as in tea in the morning, let me know. So yes, and I look in the mirror and I read that. That pretty girl look on you. When you beard and put on your lash.
Oh, put on my lash?
Yeah, your lash. You have your lash by your eye, something.
From what?
No worry, you have
know where I have the eyelash on.
On your eyelash. You have your eyelash by your eyelash. Sure.
I have an false.
Yeah, eyelash. Is your eyelash your diet says your
these things. Shut up. Guys, here's what yesterday me I go to now me have a lip gloss. Here, why the lip gloss weigh too much over your face? Here's a bit again a lip gloss.
No, she put on a lot.
No, it's thick, so if I look a bit I put on, I go look no. But here, why the lip gloss all over your lip? Just a bit again a lip gloss.
You're trying to stab my intelligence.
Was that the intention of a joke?
You must know, because I'm not laughing. Are you?
No?
Oh, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to them.
Whatever.
Okay.
Who was I don't know the pan? Me and Petagaye. Kasara.
Everybody will defend my
guys,
side.
attack her. No.
Excuse you? They might defend me. They will defend you.
Why that?
Why? Because I'm Petagaye life.
And because I'm suing life, something.
life. And I tell them,
guys, channel like I'm suing. Introduce me now, you are the master of this.
No, but you say you run it, so you take it from here though?
I run it in a some second.
Watch out the eyelash then. So, yeah, why not do it right now? I'm at Shitney. I want to pick up a package.
All around.
Yeah, so I pick up a package, so I'll go upstairs now.
Follow me.
You to the elevator. My friend for elevator. She friend for elevator now. Work those legs. Terry? Maybe say put now wait.
Next one, that is two. I bet you have to go on.
No.
You're signing for the machine? No.
Can I get it sometime or not? Can I pay customs?
Somewhere along the line, somebody has to pay for it to be free for somebody.
Like I give?
Yeah?
Sure. Chin love free things. Everywhere she goes, she asks for freeness. You can't know that Chin is a Jamaican.
Can we feel them something that we have say? I package them. And we grab for come some.
It's not that bad. We're just making our package and like a sign. There's my package. That's one. And that's the other.
Express? So guys, we are shipping, as you guys can see. Come and get to it. Follow me take and pick up one package. Yes, I'm tired because yesterday I went to a birthday party and it was good, but the vibes was good, but the food, I'll never go back to that place anywho. So yeah, I'm just here chilling. I'm going to a little meet and greet now. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what I'm doing. Either when I'm in the car or, you know, somewhere.
Where are you going today? What's your vlog? You want me to vlog too?
Thank you, vlog.
I'm ready. Oh,
We're leaving at this moment. We just got our package. You know, so she up in the window and waiting. Can't wait to pull the package. Anyways, guys, I got on this step, and last night I have to climb step and this morning. Tell me now. Tell me now. Me can't get to see what she had there, you know. God knows.
remember last time my birthday, the other about your birthday come. Oh guys, my birthday coming up.
First, always first. Always first.
I'm good.
Or see.
Anyways, we're outside.
You're calling to
And yes, just, you know, we're not Jew.
yeah, should I do an unboxing? No.
She's not going to do that. Hell no. So anyways,
I'm excited. Who is excited when I'm going to go and pick up their packages? I am.
I never heard of something, so I don't know that feeling as yet.
It feels good to know you buy it and your things come and you know that you got deals. Guys, always good shopping on when it's deals. Again, don't let that car hit you down.
If it hit me, I'm going to pay. You couldn't even wait.
No.
Everything you buy, I'm going to use it also.
Oh, you're vlogging! Oh,
yes.
you're vlogging! Guys, the vlogging now. The birthday vlogs are now. Hi, guys! Oh, yes, I know.
Dog, do me nice, Kami.
I don't know what
I don't know what to say.
Then the next one.
Let's go!
Wait, safety first. Safety first. I'm put on my seatbelt. Safety.
Please,
Because I know that's why you guys be like, Petagaye, don't drive without your seatbelt.
well, that looks a flat. I must be light.
Yeah, what? Yeah, customs?
No, parrot.
Oh, yeah, must customs.
What if I can get a job at shipping?
This is small. This said switching power.
We tell us that it. Yeah, you have to use that. Let's burn it first.
Is it charger? Is it light? If I want a charger? Yeah. And guys, the big box is in the back of the car. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna do it in here, man.
Yeah, let's do it. What about you, Petagaye? Where's your boyfriend?
Hey, where's your boyfriend?
Yeah, if I put that on in the video.
That's why. That's why.
I just look at the skin
Petagaye
type and say,
boyfriend is
whatever one
holding
you
the
want.
camera. Don't you know that, Chin?
Hey?
Petagaye boyfriend holding the camera.
Big up yourself, cameraman. So. Yeah. That's why it's always
Petagaye,
important.
what was the hardest breakup? Like,
I story time you want me to find this. Eh?
aren't you real?
But no, by now, Chris has story time.
But
Chin just requested.
yes. You don't feel your subscribers then would be
Interested, right?
Just know, say guys, I catch a boy with one girl and I might eat Burger King. What did I do?
Chin know the story?
Of course, you know the story.
Oh, everybody knows the story though.
That's why the fuck.
The fight.
Did you get into a fight?
Well, we're not gonna say.
It was my hardest breakup in a one long while.
Stay tuned for that video.
No one wants a video
We
to
talk. Jesus.
Sorry.
My
What?
hardest breakup.
Oh, you're fine.
It was probably okay. My hardest breakup was,
Yeah, I should feel it, you know.
it was when I was in like senior year of high school or my last year of high school, and he was a freshman in university.
Terrible.
And he literally broke up
Guys,
with
I have to fix the camera properly.
Why? Because him talking to somebody else?
Yes. Can you believe? You wouldn't even believe the speech him give me. Oh God.
Weird.
So
Man, I got weird. No, weird. No,
So we're in the
He killed me, man. I was like, what? But then their drama followed after that.
Man, I wicked, yeah, man.
So she look better than you, Rian?
I don't even know what she looked like. To this day, I don't know what the girl looked like. I know they're not together.
That's all
See,
there's
you
on.
know, always left for no girl, for girl and not there with man. Girl left for no, not idiot. The one where that go hard food and do this and do that.
And I wash,
left.
cook,
And clean.
carry out places.
Talk your mic, your heart broken in.
I
Motivation.
say, I cook
Help
for the
you with
boy.
mental
I
health.
wash for the
Make you
boy.
feel good.
To everything in your
That
face.
shit way.
Ungrateful.
What did the boy do for you? Since you tell all the stuff you do.
Stress me out. I mean,
Stress me out. And
So you
walk
never
me
did
out.
nothing good.
And
That's why you
everything.
did it too long. Oh,
And
please.
Shaga Naga. Shaga Naga,
This is PG. Okay?
So we say Shaga Naga, what that mean?
That in a Google.
wait, said the other one, Juki Jam.
Juki Jam is an
Doogie.
actor.
Yeah,
Dugu. That's old time talk.
Yeah. And look where Dugu.
So right now, I'm just
Stay at school, don't dugu.
Get the education, you know.
So just on the streets, you know? And there's Fraser. Finally. Guys,
So I cook really because I really said I like. Petagaye like. No, but still I'm turning point. Why you so miserable? You don't drink the tea like me, I do. The kind of what? I'm glad you could make it.
where's Iandra?
She coming. She's a different girl forward.
That's what she did.
No, but I think she already before we, you know.
Oh, we're actually rolling online.
Oh, we are chatting. Oh, see me?
Still there, man.
Really hungry like from.
No, me hungry, it's not from there though.
So you can socialize and all these things.
Girl talk, not girl talk. But that is a mouth, man. What you say? This is channel.
Yeah, it is very firm.
See, boy, you hear me?
Nice to have.
You don't get nowhere. That's still bad.
Watch him. Make sure. So, that's what we're doing right
That is the
now.
alibi. That's the alibi.
So where you from?
Yeah, we know so you're not a water person. You said that.
Where you from?
Yeah?
Alright, we got Fort Worth City.
Country here.
Oh.
Come up a
I don't know.
Yeah.
We're both from Westmoreland.
Alright.
I'm going to wait upon the movie. She coming. We will be there in a
Watch them argue, guys. Them eyes are argue. Watch them. Watch them.
You can't watch the people just stay over here, so we don't want to be on my vlog. They can edit him out.
Make a good side, right, so yeah. Hello, cameraman. Can you please on my camera?
You're recording, right?
I'm checking the belly here. What is one? So, we're gonna take some more pictures. My natural hair. So, Reza, come take some pictures. We're going to vlog.
Ready up on?
That's okay in the belly, guys. We have a belly for
You are joking, do you know? Alright. We can't depend on my side. You know why over my side neither.
Why you the
You don't want to picture neither.
Yeah.
I'm going to touch her hand.
Big focus in?
Yeah, right.
No, I don't want to touch up her body. What's that? Where you do? Where you do? Hey, you know. So you can't go over there, so. In bad mind. I saw him there. I saw him stay like that.
I'm cameraman right here. Ready?
Fresh time.
Novo Pandora.
Can you jump in? The more in a picture to you. This
Just go right there, so you have to bend down.
Kadish is here to take down the names for the blind date. The next blind date video.
Squat. Yeah.
no, what can I say?
After 2 weeks, I said Novo
Why you kill her
Pandora.
with them big eyes? Stood over the camera.
Why when I say
What does it mean? You get a prize.
What are we going to do for my friend can do?
Stop. One, come.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Petagaye life.
Alright.
Somebody else say, woo!
Right there.
We kind of have to leave us now.
Leave, guys. But you'll be seeing more of me in
Petagaye, mukbangs, challenges.
right?
Mostly mukbangs, kind
Including
of.
Nina. I only can't help me do some pranks for my cousin because them think them slick. Just wait. Go prank them back.
You know, Chaba song, you think you slick. You know the song? You know the song? Jesus.
If me hear it.
Alright. But just
take my money, I know. Not remember the rest.
we can't answer the rest, remember, but we just can't say. So, yeah, can we catch up
Wait, keep
again?
on coming back. Bacana.
Bacana. Me say your B. You may say. Alright. Put our wings. What a
Oh, to her. Yeah.
natural. So,
Alright.
later.
Safe
Tell them later.
travels.
So,
I see him.
the matter. So, alright.
1 minute
See you again.
picture with you, you know. So don't stress them out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What's up?